How to log into your Target credit card account online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to log into your Target credit card account, you may require your browser, or you can also use the credit card, that is Target credit card official application. So for now I'll simply show you from the website. So you can basically search in for Target credit card login and just tap on the first link over here, which will take you to the official page of the target.com, and you can just tap on this sign in button over here to automatically redirect you to sign in or create an account. So if you don't already have an account, it will prompt you to enter all of your full name, or it will prompt you to enter all of your personal details such as first name or last name. And if you already have an account, you can basically provide your existing email or phone number over here and just click on continue. You can also use your passkey to sign into your account, or you can just enter your password from over here. So once you successfully enter your password and make sure it's all of the login credentials are correct, you can simply tap on the sign in with password button over here to successfully sign in to your Target credit card account online. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.